Welcome to Pooptopia, a unique planet where everything is made out of feces. Here, we will discover the diverse ecosystem of Mercury and how organisms have adapted to survive in this unusual environment. In this segment, we will delve into the intricate food chain of Mercury's feces-based ecosystem. From dung beetles to fecal fungi, every organism plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this unique habitat. In our final segment, we will explore the fascinating musical symphony of Mercury, composed entirely of fecal sounds. From the gurgling of fecal rivers to the rustling of fecal leaves, the planet's ecosystem comes alive through the power of sound.